Night-night. Sweet dreams. Sleep tight, don't let the bed bugs bite. These are all phrases that we use sometimes in English when talking about sleep. And it can be a little complicated or confusing talking about these words with sleep just because we have so many different phrases of them in English. So today, I want to talk you through 4 different phrases that we use about the word sleep and how to use them. I'm Phil, and I'm glad you've joined me today as I share a few English tips that I would share with my own students face-to-face here at Majak in the Czech Republic. The first phrase is fall asleep. Fall asleep. This is just the phrase that we use to explain the moment that somebody goes to sleep. Fall asleep. So we can say, the child fell asleep as soon as his head hit the pillow. As soon as he was on the bed, he was asleep. So we say he fell asleep. Next we have sleep in. Now sleep in is a good one because it means you sleep extra in the morning, but it's on purpose. You planned to get extra sleep in the morning. So an example would be, since it was Saturday, I slept in until 10 a.m. So this person knew it was Saturday, there was no work, no school, so they decided purposefully to sleep extra till 10 a.m. So they slept in. Next is oversleep. Now oversleep seems like it could be similar to sleep in, but it's not. In fact, it's a little bit of the opposite. So we say someone overslept when they sleep extra in the morning, but on accident. Like they don't want to do it. This is a bad thing usually if you oversleep. We can say, my alarm didn't go off in the morning and I overslept. Like it's a very bad thing. So you don't want to be late to work, you don't want to be late to school, but if you accidentally sleep longer, you oversleep. Next one is sleep over. Now it seems like this would be similar to the last one because we have oversleep and now we have sleep over, but it isn't. It really has nothing to do with it. A sleepover means that you spend the night at somebody else's house or at some other place. So for example, one girl in the class has a birthday party and she wants to have all the other girls spend the night at her house for a big party, and they'll watch movies and eat lots of chocolate, whatever they would do. We would say the girls will sleep over at their friend's house. So they will sleep over at their friend's house means that they will just come, bring their sleeping bags and some extra snacks and have a fun time all night long at someone else's house. Now, this we used as a verb. The children will sleep over at someone's house. But we can also use this as a noun. So this party that the girl will have is a sleepover. They will have a sleepover at her house. That means they will come, and the party is a sleepover. Thanks for joining me today. If this was helpful for you, feel free to click the like button at the bottom. And I want to know, are there any other words with sleep that you've heard or you've used and you're not really sure how to use them well? Please write in the comments below and we'll try to address them in another video. Thanks for joining today.